Oh man, this is barely readable. Now this is so much better.
The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, welcome to the last Codemas video, the last video of this year. There are many times we need to open a new tab on Chrome to just see a JSON response of our API, and this thing is barely readable. I've got this idea after reading a post on DevDo, and I thought, why not create something we can use every time that is there and prettifies our JSON responses just on a single click. We're a serious channel and we're building enterprise level software, so I will use the Pokemon API for this video. So let's do it. Let's open the DevTools and we will see here that inside the body we have a pre-formatted element. On Chrome, every time we deal with JSON responses, it wraps everything inside a pre-formatted element. This is valid JSON. We can JSON parse it, $0 text content, and we can see that we have here a JavaScript object. So we can use this to JSON stringify, JSON parse, $0 text content. Now the second parameter will be null and the third parameter will be 2. And simple as that, we have a prettified version of this response. Now we can use this. Let's copy this line and say $0 text content equals to this. Paste it, and we have prettified response on our tab. Now of course this is incomplete, so let's copy it and go to our code editor. Paste it here and say document query selector pre.text content. Let's copy this, equals to, let's also change this. Now if we copy, refresh and paste it, we will see the same thing happening, but it will work without us needing to select the pre-formatted element, and also we can use it on every API response. Now how to use this every single time? First we need to wrap it inside an IFI, so like this, and say function. Before the IFI, we should write JavaScript. Now wrap this inside curly braces, copy, and go to Chrome. In the bookmarks, add new bookmark, and say formatted JSON. Paste it, save. Now let's go back to the tab with the API response, and in the URL bar, let's type formatted JSON. Click it, and we have a prettified JSON response. Simple as that. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe. I will see you next year.